Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Perchance AI not working. First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or internet connection off and wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a stable and reliable network before continuing. Now open the Run tab by pressing Windows and R on your keyboard. Here type %temp% and click OK. You will now see a folder containing temporary files. Select all the files and delete them. If some files cannot be deleted because they are currently in use, simply skip them and continue. Next, go back and open the Run tab again. Now type temp and click OK here. Delete all the files in this folder as well to clear additional temporary data from your system. After that, open the Recycle bin. Now click on Empty Recycle bin and then click Yes to permanently remove all deleted files. Then go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for Updates and allow Windows to search for available updates. If updates are available, download and install them completely. Keeping Windows updated can help improve system stability and browser performance. After that, go back and restart your computer. Once your computer starts again, open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here, click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. Now select the preferred time range, then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click on Delete Data from this device and wait for the process to finish. Now go back to the desktop and right-click on the taskbar. Here, click on Task Manager. Then check the Processes tab and close unnecessary applications that may be using too much memory, CPU, or network resources. Next, click on the Performance tab and make sure your computer has enough available resources. After that, close Task Manager and reopen Google Chrome. Now visit the Perchance AI website and try using the generator again. Give the website a few moments to load completely and then test the feature that was not working. If the issue was caused by cached browser data, temporary files, or system performance problems, Perchance AI should now work more smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.